Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, you know that summer is in its full wing, the hottest temperature and the weather is affecting whole human community throughout the world. So it is time for us to get some breezy, some cozy, some stylish, some summer outfits. So you are absolutely at the right place because in this video I am sharing 5 in 1 creative, amazing and stylish ideas, friends. As per weather requirements, these are absolutely favorable, easy, user friendly, beginner friendly design ideas of hand embroidery that you can make on your shirts, t-shirts, on your sleeveless tops, on your backless tops, onto your very soft, lightweight lawn, cotton or organic blended fabric, linen stuffs. But at the same time, you can also make these very beautiful embroidery patterns onto your sweatshirts, onto your woolen coats, woolen shirts, sweaters, jersey, and up to a remarkable number of hand knitted, handmade woolen shirts, tops, and different design ideas. So I hope that you like my today's creation. If you really like my today's video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new, and don't forget to like and kindly leave your comments below so that we could get to know what you feel about our content. And please massively share my videos with your friends and family so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Yes friends, I request you again, please do make a habit of sharing massively my videos with your friends and family. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care, and in my channel you can get all type of amazing, stylish, trendy, latest and new ideas related to women fashion. So once again, thank you so much. Be positive, stay positive, be optimistic, try to achieve and attain every opportunity that comes into your life to keep you tracked and focused to achieve your goals. So thank you so much. Only attract positive energy, stay away from negative vibes.